Hey guys, I know this is a declutter video. I am just going to try to organize and declutter a lot of my skincare from my bathroom. I've done this quite a few times this year. If you don't know, I am going through a low buy. I'm also going through decluttering stuff that's either expired or I don't really care for the formula, etc. And yeah, so I thought I'd bring you guys in this journey with me. I'm sorry for the echo because I am in my master bathroom. But we're going to go through these products right here. So we're going to start off with here with like skincare. This is really nice, the Soul Body. It's probably like halfway through, but I really prefer like a pump like this Johnson & Johnson. And yeah, I haven't been using it for like a hot minute because I do have a child and my time is limited. And yeah, so I'm going to be decluttering this. I'm going to only keep one of these Soul brushes, so I think I'm just going to keep this little round one and throw out this flat one that's kind of all jacked up. This one I really enjoyed. This came in a boxy charm as well, and it's really nice during the summertime to apply creams and such. This is basically almost done with, so I'm going to put this into my empties. This smells really nice, but it's also one of these like... I don't hardly use it. I'm just going to get rid of it. Just like this body serum as well. I want to use this kind of stuff, but I never do. I tend to always gravitate towards these kinds of bottles that have a pump to them. This is a little body spray. This I really love for my legs. I mix it in with body lotion. Likewise, this Becca one, I also do the same. And the... Marc Jacobs. And then once I finish with this, I'm going to do a Clorox wipe and clean all of this. This, I have given up on trying to do tanning lotions. They always look wrong on me. I don't know. They never develop to a nice color. And this is probably expired, so I'm going to get rid of that. And this one, I don't really care for the smell of this. I tried to use it once. I didn't really see like a huge difference. Yeah, I think I'm going to get rid of that too. So this is all that's going to be left, and then later on I'll wipe everything down again. But this, oh, I love this. So I'm going to keep this and use it at some point. So I will show you guys an after I wipe everything down. But right now I'm just going to declutter. Here I have some lash serums that I've been using. I've been using the Lash MD, which I really enjoy, but this is almost completely done with. The Lily lashes, I don't feel like it's doing much for my lashes. I've been using it probably like 2 weeks now. And then my new lash is my Ride or Die. And then let's see what else here. I have this Morphe lip scrub, but it really sucks. It literally is like a mixture between a scrub and a lip balm, and it leaves like your lips super sticky and just like with a weird reddish tint to it. I did not like this whatsoever. So I tried to use it quite a few times and just it failed. This I highly enjoy. This is the Best Bud Peony Lip Butter Balm. This is by... I want to say Tarte. Yeah, like the Sugar Rush from Tarte. I also enjoy this Sea Mist. I love this Dermalogica serum. This is really nice as well. The Pineapple Haze Lip Butter. So this is kind of old. So I'm going to get rid of this. This is the Juice Beauty eye treatment, but I've had it forever, so it's probably expired. I really love the Palmer's Skin Therapy Oil. I think most of these things on here on the top are pretty new. This is an eye brightening one. I haven't even opened it. God, I just have way too much stuff. I think I'm going to give this away because I'm probably never going to get to the point where I use it. These are pretty new. So I've been using these. This thermal water, the Drunk Elephant can stay on there. This can stay here as well. Now here to this bottom drawer. Here on the eye cream section, this has been over a year here and I hardly used it. I kind of regret purchasing it because I just have way too much and I forget to use stuff. So I'm gonna declutter that. This Pharmacy Do It All, I'm almost done with it. It's got this huge indentation in it. It gives a nice hydration. I didn't see like a huge difference, but it does give nice hydration. And I have these 3 that are new, so I really need to get rid of this. I also have the Cherry Up. It just gives nice hydration. I usually use this in the morning. And then this one is an overnight treatment, so I'm just gonna leave these. And then here, this Yes to Watermelon. I used to love the smell of this, and it kind of reminded me of the Glow Recipe. But over time, the more I used it, the more it kind of just smelled a little funky. So I'm going to declutter that. And then I've had these Sunday Riley ones for a hot minute. So I'm going, and I've used like more than half of them. So I'm going to declutter these as well. This one's pretty new, so I'm gonna leave that one. Most of these Glow Recipe ones are pretty new. This one's new as well. This is their Plum Plump. Some of these are kind of old, especially these 2 oils. I think they're more than halfway used, so I'm going to take these out. This one is just like an everyday nice moisturizer, so I'll leave that one here. And then the vitamin C booster powder is really nice, but I feel like I don't use it enough and it's probably expired by now. So I'm going to declutter that. I'm gonna leave the Murad that's pretty new. This is new from BoxyCharm as well. I don't know if I should keep this or not because it's like an unknown brand. I'll just leave it here and test it out for a little bit. This is the Wishful, and these I bought as well. These are pretty new. Down here, these are pretty all new. This Marc Jacobs, I've used the crap out of it and love it. So I think I'm just gonna use whatever's left. There's very little in here left. I think like most of the stuff that's in here is pretty new. So, and then this one's new from BoxyCharm as well that I wanted to test out. So yeah, I'm gonna reorganize and clean and then show you guys the finished one. And then here on this little section, oh God, this burns my skin too much. I love Glow Recipe, but I feel like this is a little too strong for my skin. So I'm gonna declutter that. This Summer Fridays, I absolutely love, but this one's super old as well. So I'm going to get rid of it. And then what else do I have around here? These are all new. These were in a BoxyCharm if I'm not mistaken, and I love these under eye patches, but these for some reason just really irritate my under eye. They kind of sting a little bit, so I'm going to declutter, but I always have these on hand, the Good Molecules I love. These booty drops were from BoxyCharm as well if I'm not mistaken. I used like more than half of this, but yeah, it doesn't do anything. And then what else do I have up here? This is actually good. Oh, this, which one is it? This one I've used like forever. If you can see, it's almost done. It's probably expired, and I got this new glycolic one and the pharmacy one, so I want to focus on these 2. And then everything else is pretty new. So that is going to be it. And I'll show you guys the finish, like once I clean and wipe, how everything is reorganized. And here is the final product, everything nice and clean, wiped down. Here is all the body stuff. The only one from Face that I couldn't fit was the new one that I got from BoxyCharm. But other than that, I was able to put everything, try to put brands together. For example, Sunday Riley, Pharmacy, Drunk Elephant. Here are some random ones down here. These are all Murad. This is all Glow Recipe. And then I have Dermalogica here. All my eye creams are here. And Fresh down here. Basically just tried to really clean up. You guys saw all the stuff that I took out. And in an empties video, I do like rapid fire kind of reviews in my empties. So if you want to know my opinion on any of the ones that I took out, that will be in that video. And then here on this corner, I have my little Hello Kitty trash can kind of thing. Here are my little cotton pads. And then I just left these 2 toners to use. This is a makeup remover from Sephora. And then all of these are face masks, all of this. So I'm going to try to really get down to using them. And then these are eye masks, like those under eye patches, which I live for. These are sheet masks. And I really just want to try to really use up what I have and really downsize and start, you know, decluttering before I keep purchasing more stuff or resubscribe to any subscription boxes. And thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, hit that little button if you want to see more declutters and also just beauty videos or shop my stash. That's kind of where I'm going towards because I really want to use what I have. And if you guys want reviews on any of these, let me know. I can do like by brand or by product, just let me know. Because I was thinking of actually doing like either mini reviews, like 3 to 5 minute reviews about products that I already own, and kind of start getting those up on my channel as well. So I'm open to any suggestions.